In a bustling city, Maya, a young scientist, faced constant sneezes due to her dusty lab. Instead of succumbing to discomfort, she saw sneezing as a metaphor for clearing obstacles. Inspired, Maya developed a groundbreaking air purifier, revolutionizing clean air technology. Her invention not only improved health but also empowered women in science, proving that even small irritations can lead to monumental achievements. Maya's journey reminds us that every challenge is an opportunity to innovate and inspire. Her story encourages women to embrace their unique strengths and transform adversity into triumph.